So the simplest way to think about basic research is the research that goes into trying to figure out what is actually wrong once a disease process starts. Another aspect to basic research is to try to develop strategies to fix what is wrong. Okay? And this is in contrast with another program that we have here, which we call our translational research program. Now, the translational research program is directly designed to developing drugs. So it follows from our basic research program. Now, several people don't realize, but basic research is absolutely critical and essential for the development of therapies for our neuromuscular diseases. So for instance, you can't really fix something unless you know what's actually wrong. Okay, so basic research tries to figure out what is wrong. And we have a series of grants that have been funded in this particular cycle that are designed not only to figure out what's wrong, but to actually improve upon existing therapies or experimental therapies that are being developed right now. I can give you a couple of examples if you're interested. So for instance, in Duchenne muscular dystrophy, we have at least two separate strategies or two separate clinical trials that are going on right now for what's called exon skipping. We don't need to get into details of how exon skipping works, but we have in this current cycle of grants, one or two grants that are designed to improve upon the exon skipping strategy. So you can see how that's basic research, but it's going towards the development of a therapy. Another example I can give you is that of Pompe's disease. So in Pompe's disease, we know what's wrong, we know what's missing. It's an enzyme that's deficient, and the therapy that's being given right now in the clinic is the replacement of this enzyme therapy. So we give them enzyme from the outside, exogenous enzyme. Well, some of the individuals who get this enzyme actually develop antibodies to this thing, and the enzyme doesn't work anymore. So one of our grants is designed to try to reduce the development of these antibodies to make this therapy actually more effective.